Hey guys, this is such a great cooking naked recipe because it is perfect for the chilly nights or just feel good home food. It is chicken and broccoli in bechamel pasta casserole. I am so excited because it's scrumptiously good and creamy. Okay, just spread it out into your dish so it's even. My mouth's seriously watering. I'm surprised I'm not drooling. That is gonna be piping hot. Look at this. Smells good, doesn't it, Sigmund? Oh yeah. You know, blow on it. We don't want to burn our mouth because it's hot. Sizzling hot. Oh, I'm losing stuff. Okay. This is like the creamiest mac and cheese you've ever had in your entire life. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's really good. It's creamy. It's got the perfect flavor, texture. You get a little bit of crunch and the smoothness and the creaminess. Okay, I may have to take this on the run because I can already see there's people lining up for this. So make sure you go over to my Patreon. Link is in the description and check out the full recipe.